Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a garlic press. This will be a really easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this garlic press. It's basically these two handles that together form this thing that presses into the garlic, and there's actually this little sort of like a bucket in there. So you want to get your bucket and place it in there just like that. Then you want to get a peeled clove of garlic. Place it inside of the bucket. If it's a little bit bigger like the one that I have, you can place it on an angle. And then you want to use two hands. Okay, you're going to use two hands to press the garlic press together. I'm going to try and show you this so that you can see what it looks like. As you push the garlic plunger into the bucket right there, you're going to see, if you give it a moment, that it's actually going to come oozing out and it's going to press the garlic for you. As you can see right there, check that out. Very, very satisfying indeed, okay? And like I said, if you use two hands, it's a little bit easier, okay? Just like that. So you can press it down like that, and I'm just going to lift it out and I'm going to push this little bit of excess right there, okay? So as you can see, just like that, we are pressing the garlic. Now what you can do is you can either use your hand or even a butter knife to just scrape out everything that's in there, okay? Now if you are pressing more garlic, like I will be, I'm gonna be pushing more garlic, then you can peel another clove. The fastest way to peel it is to just put it in between your hands like this, rub back and forth. You can hear that crunching sound. That's the peel that is coming off. And then as you can see, I have now peeled the clove of garlic. So just put it in between your hands, rub it back and forth. And then you can actually remove the stem if you want. You can just peel this part off right over here on both sides. You don't have to though, that's kind of up to you. I generally do that. But then you're gonna take your next clove of garlic, place it inside of the bucket, and then plunge it down. Once again, getting a good view of what it looks like when you are pushing it through. Just like that. As you can see, very, very satisfying. We'll do it one last time. And then obviously at the end, you're going to be scraping it off. But we'll do it one last time, okay? Obviously, you're going to be keeping your skin of your garlic separate from the actual minced part that you're doing. Place it in the plunger just like that. Two hands, very satisfying indeed. To watch it all just come out of the bucket right there. That's it. When you're done, like I said, you can either use your finger to scrape it off like that, or you can use a butter knife. And then, you know, once again, you can really, if you really squish it down, you can really get out every last little bit of it, which is great. And then you can even maneuver this in here, so you can kind of move this around and then plunge it again to really get more out, as you can see. But that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to use a garlic press. It has been a very simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.